In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a post in Hootsuite. If you're managing social media accounts, scheduling your posts can be a lifesaver, allowing you to maintain a consistent online presence even when you're busy. Let's dive right in. First things first, grab your preferred browser and type Hootsuite into the search bar. Once you hit enter, you'll see Hootsuite pop up in your search results, and from there, you can click on it to open the Hootsuite homepage. Now, the next step is logging in. Simply enter your username and password, and you'll be right into your Hootsuite dashboard. If you're already set up to auto-login, you'll be taken there instantly. Once you're in, take a look at the main navigation menu on the left side of your screen. Here, you'll find various options to explore, but today we're focusing on Planner. Click on Planner, and this will take you to the heart of your scheduling operations. What you'll see is a calendar format that helps you visualize your upcoming content. Next, to get the clearest overview, switch to the week view. This will help you organize your posts without feeling overwhelmed. Now, look for the specific day and time slot you have in mind for your post. Click directly on that spot. You'll see a window pop up, prompting you to create your post within that selected slot. Now comes the fun part: creating your content. Enter the text of your post. You can also enhance your post by adding media like images or videos, which can make your content more engaging. Don't forget to personalize your post further by including relevant hashtags or mentions. This customization can increase your post's visibility and engagement. Once you've perfected your post, it's time to set it for a future date and time. In the options, you'll see an option to schedule the post. Go ahead and select a date and time that works for your content strategy. This ensures your post goes live precisely when you want it to, without the need for manual posting. Finally, hit the Schedule button, and just like that, your post is lined up and ready to go in your content calendar. You can always revisit the calendar to make adjustments if needed, or to get an overview of all scheduled posts. This organized view is a great way to ensure you're staying on top of your content plan. So there you have it, a simple yet effective process to schedule your posts using Hootsuite. By planning ahead and utilizing this tool, you can manage your social media presence effortlessly. Keep experimenting and refining your schedule, and watch your engagement grow. Thanks for tuning in, and happy scheduling.